this is Simranjeet Kaur and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm up with a more video, and this video is all about what to do after LLB. See, many students are aware that after LLB either they want to get into practice or either they want to join a company as a law officer. And if somebody wants to join or somebody wants to get into academics, can do an LLM, and after LLM they can give NET and join a college. बस LLB जो LLB करते हैं उनको यही तीन ऑप्शंस के बारे में पता रहता है. They are not aware that there is also one such system wherein you can join an Indian Army. You have to appear for joining an Indian Army. You have to clear your SSB interview. People are not aware of it. So today's video will be talking about who is a JAG, that is Judge Advocate General. What is the eligibility? How many vacancies are there? And when can you see the form? When can you fill up the form? So who is a JAG, Judge Advocate General? Judge Advocate General is that person who advises the persons of Indian Army on day-to-day basis. कभी भी उनको advice की जरूरत पड़ेगा on legal affairs, they will consult you. Okay. So what is the eligibility for appearing for the JAG entry? The eligibility is that you must have completed your LLB, either the 5-year degree program or the 3-year degree program, and you should score the percentage of 55%. Now this is just the eligibility, क्योंकि कट ऑफ आपका हाई जा सकता है, कट ऑफ 60 to 65 भी जा सकता है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि even if you have filled the form of JAG entry, it is not necessary that you will be called for the SSB interview, because there is always a cut off that is announced. It is between 60 to 65%. So if you have scored between 60 to 65% marks in your LLB, either the 5-year program or the 3-year program, आपके चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा बन जाते हैं कि आपको एसएसबी का इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आएगा. अब एसएसबी के इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछा जाता है, दिस इज अगेन अ डिटेल्ड थिंग, बिकॉज 5 days एसएसबी इंटरव्यू चलता है. Okay, 5 days you have to face the interview. A lot of psychological tests and the physical activity tests take into picture. So we'll be making a video on the SSB interview later on, after this video itself. So basically, what you need to remember is that this JAG entry is actually a short service commission. What do you mean by short service commission? जब it is actually short service commission का मतलब होता है which is usually of 10 years. You will serve the Indian Army just for 10 years. It can be extended more by 5 years on your performance, or either you also can apply that you want to extend your job for more 5 years. So maximum 14 years की ये job होती है, right? Now when you clear your SSB interview, when you are up with the physical test that takes into picture, medical test you are done with, there is a training of 49 weeks, which is usually of 1 year in OTA Chennai. After that training, you join in the post of lieutenant for 2 years. You will be remaining lieutenant for the period of 2 years. After 2 years, you become captain, and your captainship will continue for a period of 4 years. After that, you become a major, and this post of major will continue for the period of the remaining years. That is the maximum you will be serving Indian Army for a period of 10 years. It can exceed by 4 years. Okay. So I've spoken about the eligibility. So your target should be 60 to 65% marks. Then you can clear. You can be called for the SSB interview. SSB interview के बारे में हम लोग बाद में बात करेंगे. वैकेंसीज यूजुअली मेल के केस में 6 होती है, या फीमेल के केस में 2 और 3 वैकेंसीज होती है. यूजुअली इसी के अराउंड होती है, बट आपको इसके लिए चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज competition is very less. People are not aware that what to do after LLB. They are aware that get into practice. They are aware कि company join करना है. They are not aware that there is also a JAG entry sort of thing. You can join an Indian Army. People are not aware of it, right? So competition बहुत कम रहता है. And usually ये form जो आता है JAG entry का yearly 2 बार आता है. You can see the form in the month of February, and next in the month of July you can see it. And SSB interview के लिए centers that you will be getting is usually in Allahabad, Bhopal, Bangalore and Kapurthala, right? For medical, I'll be telling you that male का height requirement is 157 centimeters, female it is 152 centimeters. Weight should be proportionate to your height. The second thing that you need to keep the thing that is important is about the vision. Vision should be 3/60, 3/60. You can go the laser treatment, that is the LASIK is permitted, and then after LASIK is done, then the vision should be 6/6. This is compulsory. And color perception CP2 तक allowed है. Power -5.52 +2 is allowed. Okay. So in short, JAG के बारे में आपको कुछ चीजें याद रखनी है कि आपको परसेंटेज अच्छा लाना है आपके LLB में. सेकेंड, साल में 2 बार इसके फॉर्म्स आते हैं. मेडिकल, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज द हाइट रिक्वायरमेंट. 157 सेंटीमीटर. फॉर फीमेल इट इज 152 सेंटीमीटर. And also let me tell you about the website. It is just please note down, I'll be writing in the description box as well. It is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. I'll be writing about this website in the description box as well. Keep a track as and when the form comes into picture. Do fill it up and do sit with confidence. And regarding SSP interview, I'll be talking in the next video about it. So I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.